Hi everyone, myself Priyavrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques. So this is the fourth video regarding the Capgemini off-campus drive 2021. So we have already made three different videos regarding the Capgemini off-campus, about its preparation, new recruitment process, about the written test like the pseudo code questions and the psychometric based questions and the game based aptitude questions, etc. And also we have made video on how to crack the technical and the HR interview questions. So I have seen that most of our viewers are commenting, those who have appeared for this Capgemini off campus or the written test on 19th April and the 27th or the 28th April, they are commenting after completing the written test what will be happening or when will be receiving the result, or you can say after that whether you will be receiving in directly will be receiving in the offer letter, or there will be a technical or the HR interview, what will be happening after the written test. So in this video we'll be clearing all of your doubts. So I am requesting all of you to please watch this video till the end so that everyone's doubt will get clear here itself. So in this video we'll be discussing about that about the what after Capgemini written test 2021. So as we know or as we discussed earlier, so in the Capgemini written test, every round or the written test round is an elimination round starting from pseudo code. That means if you are completing or achieving or scoring minimum percentage or mark in the pseudo code, then you will be able to take the test for the communication round, then the game based aptitude, and finally the managerial or the psychometric questions or the round, which is a non elimination round. So totally three elimination rounds are there: psychometric, communication, and the game based aptitude questions. So if a candidate is reaching to the final level of selection or the written test round, that means the managerial round, where we'll be facing 100 questions and will be getting only 20 minutes, and there is no negative marking for this managerial round. So here what happens, if someone is reaching to the managerial round, then the probability of giving shortlisted is high at that moment, because almost you have cracked the written test, because you have scored the minimum percentage or minimum mark criteria here for this written test. So what will be happening after the written test, once you click on the submit button, they will be saying like through the email or through the registered email you will be receiving the result for the psychometric or the managerial round or managerial test. So then what will be happening, they'll be sending you a email. So after, you need to wait, because I have seen that most of the candidates are commenting when will be receiving the email. So it may take time, because it's happening in the batches. Most of the candidates have applied for this off campus, because starting from 2019 to 2021 year of pass out, or the batch candidates are eligible irrespective of their branch. So it may take time, but have patience. Maximum 5 to 7 days it will be taking. So after completing the written test, you will be receiving an email like this. So I am not sharing all the full email because it's confidential. One of our viewer has shared the email with us because he was not able to crack this Capgemini off campus. 2 times he failed or rejected for this off campus, but this time he watched our video and was able to crack this off campus. So that's why he was willing to thank us due to because of his achievement. So that's why he has shared all the details with us. So we'll not be able to share all the links or the you can say specific credentials or the useful credentials with you. Just we'll be sharing a example, or you can say the things you must be knowing. So after giving the written test, will be receiving an email like this. There will be a JPG or PNG image there will be. So they will be providing you a specific job category like infrastructure services, cloud infrastructure services, or the AWS, Salesforce, or Java AWS, or the data analyst or the supply chain, etc. They will be providing like areas, job field, you can say job category they will be providing irrespective of your skills. Like if you are thinking like I know Java or I am proficient with Java, you'll be getting a Java related job only. No, as per their requirements they will be providing you the job, because or the areas of job. So there will be at the end or the at the below of the email there will be a link, or survey link. You need to click on that, and within a span of time, that means they'll be providing 3 to 4 days initially to fill that survey. So within that day or mentioned time of period, you need to click on the survey and take the survey. Like they will be asking you whether you are willing to join this category or these areas of job, or whether you are interested for this job or not. So after clicking on that, after filling the survey form, there will be a technical and the HR interview. It is not a final offer letter. You can say it is not a offer letter. They are just informing you that after completing the technical and the HR interview, will be working in this field. It's a very good thing, because other companies like Accenture, TCS or Infosys, they never let the candidates know in which technology they will be working. But Capgemini is doing a very good thing. They will be telling the candidates in this field they will be working. If they are comfortable, then only they will be proceeding further for the selection process. So after giving, that means almost you have cracked the test or the interview, almost you have received the offer letter. It totally based upon your technical and the HR interview. So in the technical and the HR interview, they'll be asking you some of the basic fundamental things. They'll be asking, because you are a fresher or you are a candidate, those you have 0 to 1 year of experience. So they'll be asking basic things. So we already made a 20-minute video regarding how to crack the HR interview. Especially we have discussed about tricks and tricks on how to crack the HR and the technical interview, like how to impress the HRs. They will be asking you some of the fundamental things or the managerial things they will be asking. So we discussed A to Z things with the answers, like where do you want to see yourself after 5 years, why should you hire you, etc, etc, how to prepare the resume, etc, we have discussed. So I would suggest all of you to watch this video. This is a 19-minute video. It's a very short video. After completing the written test, go through this video, and then you will be able to have a brief idea about how to prepare for this technical and the HR interview. It's a very good video. So I am requesting all of you to please watch this video. I'll be putting this link in the description of this video. Go through the video and don't panic. Prepare well, so that you'll be able to crack this off campus at a single attempt. So apart from this, if you have any doubts regarding this off campus, you can comment in the comment section below, so that we'll be able to help you as soon as possible. And one more thing, during this tough situation, we are trying as our level best to help you all. We need your support, like this candidate or this guy was able to crack this off campus because of us. We are very much happy to help you all during this tough situation. We need your support, so that everyone will be happy, and everyone will get placed as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, and all the best for your future.